how self-healing paint technology is destroying the automotive detailing industry. In 2026, we are witnessing the death of the professional detailer as self-healing polymers erase scratches in real time under sunlight. We must expose how these heat-activated resins render expensive ceramic coatings obsolete. By dissecting the chemical breakdown of this 2026 shift, we reveal a future where pristine finishes require zero human intervention. The impending doom provocateur, your local detailing shop, is about to go out of business, and this heat-activated resin is the reason why. By 2026, the era of polishing and buffing is officially over as self-healing polymers erase deep scratches in seconds under direct sunlight. Stop wasting thousands on ceramic coatings that are now obsolete. The scientific breakthrough explicable. We are witnessing a massive chemical shift in automotive finishes that renders human intervention unnecessary. These new 2026 self-healing coatings use advanced polymers that reorganize their molecular structure when exposed to heat, instantly sealing surface damage. We're dissecting the technology that provides a permanent showroom shine, with zero maintenance required. The industry insider whistleblower, the automotive industry, is hiding a secret that will change how you maintain your car forever. It's March 2026, and professional detailers are scrambling because these new self-healing finishes make their entire profession redundant. Watch as we expose how these resins autonomously repair themselves, leaving expensive traditional paint protection in the past. The end of the polishing era. Analyze the recent market shift where 2026 flagship models now come standard with integrated self-healing clear coats. Explain the physical mechanism of heat-activated shape memory polymers that close surface gaps in seconds under a natural sunlight. Contrast the traditional paint correction process with this new reality where swirl marks disappear before the owner even notices them. The chemical obsolescence of ceramic coatings break down why static silica-based coatings are failing to compete with dynamic resins that physically move to repair damage. Detail the specific chemical bond that allows 2026 polymers to repel contaminants more effectively than the leading professional-grade quartz coatings. Reveal the cost-benefit data showing why consumers are abandoning $1,000 protection packages for factory-integrated tech. The collapse of the detailing business model. Examine the rapid closure of high-end boutique shops that relied on paint correction and long-term coatings for 80% of their revenue. Discuss the psychological shift in car ownership, where perfection is now a passive feature rather than a labor-intensive luxury. Interview former industry leaders on the death of the buffer as machines and abrasive compounds become relics of the past. The evolution into high-tech maintenance pivot to the remaining niche markets, where human intervention is still required for electronics cleaning and interior sterilization. Identify the new essential tools for the 2026 technician focused on polymer rejuvenation sprays rather than abrasive leveling. Forecast the rise of surface software updates where UV sensitivity of the paint can be tuned via the vehicle's operating system. Survival strategies for the modern enthusiast. Map out the future of DIY car care where the goal is preserving the self-healing matrix rather than removing layers of clear coat. Provide a checklist for identifying authentic self-healing substrates versus cheap marketing gimmicks trying to capitalize on the 2026 trend. Conclude with a vision of a world where every car on the road maintains a showroom shine with zero manual effort. But in 2026, that foundation is rapidly changing. Self-healing paint technology is no longer a futuristic concept reserved for luxury concept cars. It is now entering mass production vehicles, and its impact is beginning to reshape and in some cases threaten the traditional detailing industry. So what exactly is self-healing paint? At its core, self-healing paint uses advanced polymers engineered at the microscopic level. Unlike traditional automotive clear coats, which permanently deform when scratched, these smart coatings contain elastic molecular structures that can return to their original form when exposed to heat, sunlight, or electrical activation. When a scratch occurs, the molecular bonds temporarily separate. Heat, energy, whether from the sun, warm water, or built-in thermal systems allows those bonds to reconnect, effectively erasing light scratches and swirl marks. What used to require hours of machine polishing can now disappear overnight. And that changes everything. For years, swirl marks were the #1 reason customers visited detailing shops. Automatic car washes, improper washing techniques, and environmental contamination constantly damaged paint surfaces. Detailers relied heavily on correction services, often charging hundreds or even thousands of dollars per vehicle. But self-healing surfaces dramatically reduced these recurring problems. Minor scratches no longer accumulate. Paint maintains its gloss naturally. Owners don't feel the urgency to book correction appointments every year or sometimes ever. This shift is already affecting detailing revenue models. Many professional detailers report declining demand for multi-stage paint correction on newer vehicles equipped with advanced coatings. Instead of repeat customers returning annually, vehicles remain visually flawless for longer periods. And manufacturers are pushing this technology aggressively. Automakers realized something important. Customers associate paint quality with vehicle value. A car that looks new longer improves resale prices and customer satisfaction scores. Companies are integrating self-healing clear coats directly into factory production lines, meaning protection begins before the car even leaves the showroom. Unlike aftermarket ceramic coatings, factory self-healing layers are chemically bonded during manufacturing, making them more uniform and durable. This reduces dependence on aftermarket protection, historically one of the detailing industry's biggest profit centers. Ceramic coatings once promised long-term protection, hydrophobic performance, and scratch resistance. But self-healing paint addresses the problem at a deeper level. Instead of resisting scratches, it removes them. That difference fundamentally changes customer psychology. Why pay for expensive paint correction if the paint repairs itself? Why apply coatings if the factory surface already restores its appearance? As adoption grows, detailing businesses face a serious challenge. Their traditional services are becoming less essential. But the disruption goes even deeper. Self-healing paint also reduces fear of daily driving damage. Owners become less cautious. Washing methods become less critical. And small mistakes no longer carry permanent consequences. This eliminates one of the biggest educational pillars detailers relied on teaching. Customers! How easily paint can be ruined. However, the technology isn't perfect. Most current systems only heal micro scratches and light abrasions. Deep scratches, rock chips, and physical paint penetration still require traditional repair. And environmental factors still matter. Contamination, oxidation, and chemical damage can affect even advanced coating. But here's the key difference. Maintenance intervals are dramatically longer. A vehicle that previously needed polishing every 12 to 18 months may now go 5 years without correction. For detailing businesses built on volume services, that's a massive disruption. Some shops are already adapting. Instead of focusing on paint correction, forward-thinking detailers are shifting towards specialized services, interior restoration, advanced cleaning, software, customization, aesthetics, protective films, and luxury preservation packages. Paint protection film, or PPF, is actually gaining importance because while paint can heal scratches, it cannot stop rock impacts. Combining self-healing paint with self-healing film creates a nearly maintenance-free exterior. Ironically, the technology threatening detailers is also creating new premium opportunities. Another emerging area is surface diagnostics. Because these coatings are technologically complex, improper polishing or aggressive chemicals can permanently damage their healing ability. Owners increasingly require professionals who understand how to safely maintain smart surfaces. This transforms detailers from labor-based technicians into technical surface specialists. Training and knowledge are becoming more valuable than polishing skill alone. Meanwhile, DIY detailing culture is also changing. Traditional enthusiasts spent weekends correcting paint imperfections. Now, many find fewer defects to fix. The hobby shifts from correction toward enhancement lighting, trim restoration, wheel aesthetics, and personalization. Manufacturers are also experimenting with next-generation versions that activate healing electronically. Some prototypes use embedded conductive layers that gently warm panels when sensors detect scratches. Imagine a car detecting surface damage and repairing itself automatically overnight. If this becomes mainstream, paint correction as we know it could largely disappear. Economically, analysts predict a restructuring rather than total destruction of the detailing industry. Low-skill correction services may decline, but premium expertise services could grow significantly. The industry is entering a transformation similar to photography's shift from film to digital. Many traditional roles disappeared, but new specialties emerged. The winners will be businesses that evolve early. Detailers who understand material science, coating chemistry, and new automotive technologies will remain essential. Those relying solely on polishing and waxing may struggle as demand declines. Consumers ultimately benefit the most. Cars stay newer longer, ownership stress decreases, and maintenance costs drop over time. But every technological leap creates disruption somewhere, and in 2026, automotive detailing is feeling that pressure firsthand. Self-healing paint doesn't just change how cars look. It changes how the entire car care ecosystem operates. And as adoption accelerates across mid-range and even budget vehicles, the question is no longer whether the detailing industry will change, but how fast it can reinvent itself before the technology fully reshapes the market.